Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Understanding Axie stats is crucial for success in the game. First, let's break down the 6 main stats in Axie Infinity: health, morale, skill, speed, attack, and defense. Health determines how much damage an Axie can withstand before being knocked out. Morale affects an Axie's ability to critical hit and dodge attacks. Skill influences the effectiveness of an Axie's cards. Speed determines the order of turns in battle. Attack is the amount of damage an Axie deals. And defense reduces the amount of damage an Axie takes. When evaluating an Axie's stats, it's essential to consider its class and breed. Each class has its strengths and weaknesses, and certain stats are more valuable for specific classes. For example, a plant Axie excels at defense and support, while a beast Axie is aggressive and deals high damage. To build a well-rounded team, focus on balancing your Axie's stats. A good starting point is to prioritize health and speed, as these stats are crucial for survival and turn order. Then, consider the Axie's class and role in your team, and adjust its stats accordingly. Another key concept is stat distribution. Each Axie has a total of 39 stat points, and how you distribute these points can significantly impact your Axie's performance. A general rule of thumb is to allocate 10 to 12 points to health, 6 to 8 points to speed, and the remaining points to the Axie's primary stats. When breeding Axies, it's essential to understand how stats are inherited. The offspring's stats are determined by a combination of the parent's stats, with a random factor introduced to ensure genetic diversity. To increase the chances of getting desirable stats, breed Axies with high stats in the desired areas. In conclusion, understanding Axie stats is vital for success in Axie Infinity. By grasping the 6 main stats, considering class and breed, balancing stats, and optimizing stat distribution, you can build a competitive team and dominate the battlefield. Remember to prioritize health and speed, and strategically allocate stat points to create a well-rounded Axie. With these tips and a little practice, you'll be well on your way to becoming an Axie Infinity master.